Hello everyone, my name is Linjun Zheng. Today I'm going to talk about what I learned from the Innovative Entrepreneurship course and how can I use that knowledge in my future entrepreneurial journey. Based on what I learned from the course, I think the definition of entrepreneurship means applying innovation to bring ideas to life. It allows people to do what they could not previously do. Entrepreneurs grasp the opportunity to build their business and propose innovation forward. Now, there are three thinkers who have different understandings for the entrepreneurship. Their viewpoints can be divided into innovative and non-innovative entrepreneurships. In the Frank Knight and in the real closeness arguments, the core of entrepreneurship is not for the innovation. They believe entrepreneurial behavior is when entrepreneurs start up a new business to bear uncertainties and seize opportunities to take actions. By contrast, Joshua Schumpeter believes that the entrepreneur is dynamic agents of change. They bring innovative products or services to break the existing market balance or the conventional ways of doing business, like the market disruptors. Then Joshua Schumpeter thinks those innovative actions will create a new market balance. For example, Steve Jobs created the iPhone, touchscreen mobile phone, and used it to subvert the traditional push-button mobile phones market. Now we can see there are no more push-button mobile phones on the market anymore. Innovation can be categorized in many ways, and some of those categorizations are more or less overlapping. One way to classify innovation is by using the innovation matrix. It is based on two measurements, the market impact and the technology level, to define four types of innovation: the sustainable, disruptive, incremental, and radical. In addition, Dublin's 10 types of innovation theory provides a more specific inside-out approach that can re-examine existing strategies to develop feasible innovations. Moreover, it can be divided into three main categories: configuration, offering, and experience. In layman's terms, it is business model, product, and marketing. There are two design thinking tools that can help people from the beginning don't know or could be to the end to know or should be. The first tool is Stanford D School Design Thinking Process, and it consists of 5 steps: emphasize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. As a designer, we should base on human-centered design process to understand the target group's needs and collecting useful information to define the problem. After that, we can use different problem-solving tools to find the solution, like brainstorming, mind mapping, and a morphological matrix. At the end of the process, people could try to realize their ideas by making prototypes and test the product in the user's life. The second design thinking tool is Double Diamond. It can be simplified into 4 main steps: discover, define, develop, and deliver. The core of Double Diamond is design the right thing and design things right. Therefore, it is similar to the first design thinking tool that helps people to design and test their solutions through divergent and convergent different viewpoints. I think the content of Model 1 is beneficial to me. In my future entrepreneurial journey, I want to use hybrid entrepreneurship to start a business. Firstly, I will try to find a job and to learn how this company runs its business. After that, if I can accumulate enough experience and capital, I will start my own business. If I could, I hope I can grasp some disruptive innovation opportunities. The reason is that most industries have now entered a period of market saturation. If I choose to enter this kind of market, I may not survive in this highly competitive environment. Therefore, I wish I can come into the blue ocean market. Based on this point, I think the Stanford D design thinking process model can help me to define problems and solutions. In addition, if I can seize the business opportunity, I will use my other entrepreneurial skills and knowledge to expand my business market. For example, I will use some entrepreneurial tools such as business model canvas, customer value proposition, and context map canvas to define some variable factors or critical points that need attention. Moreover, I will use my relationships and family network to help my business development as much as possible. Thank you for your listening.